28, 2006, the second general meeting was held at Philhomes Mart in Nansal City. It was presiding by Brad Jim Lucas and Brad Ed Rivera. Members were Elmer Lagundino, Mike Sadam, Raymond Enriquez, Evoy Mendoza, and Alan Edwards Mundo. The name Triskelion Alumni Organization Korea, Tao Korea Council, in abbreviation, was anonymously voted as the official name. Two positions were appointed as interim chairman and vice chairman. Brad Elmer Lagundino as chairman and Brad Mike Sadam as vice chairman. Finally, the Triskelion Alumni Organization Korea Council was founded on October 28, 2006, as it was closed in song in Triskelion hymn and prayer by Brother Ed Rivera. Mission and goals: it aims to promote humanitarian help in kind of services to the less fortunate in the Philippines, to promote in stringent ties that has been established during high schools and college years, to generate funds for any activities decided upon by Tao Korea Council, to voluntarily assist Tao Korea members who are looking for support due to illness or death in the family, to voluntarily extend professional advice, consultation to Tao Korea members and other alumni members including family members, to inform other alumni members about the activities of Tao Korea Council through internet and other publication or newsletter, to generate educational and job enhancement funds for Tao Korea members and others in the Philippines, to actively involve in a local community efforts and fundraising campaigns, to organize a family gathering, retreat annually, to keep informed and maintain fraternal relationship with other Triskelion association worldwide. Mission and goals call, nararamdaman natin ito yung katulad ng yung to generate funds for rin activities decided by Tao Korea. Tulad pag minsan may mga tayo, mga binibigay tayo mga funds, kailangan ng mga kapatid natin, hindi natin. So, binibigyan natin ng support na ng mga bawat kapatid dito, bawat mga brother na ano lang tayo binibigyan natin yung total. Yung organize ng family gathering, retreat annually, so yung pamilya natin, pinakita tayo kung may nakasinan. Yung retreat annually ito, hindi pa natin itong so parang hindi pa natin nagawa ito dahil hindi pa, pinaplano pa lang ito ni Paul Dave, masyado. Hindi pa umagal, hindi pa hindi pa po yung plano, pero gagawin din natin yun. Video. So, ito yung organizer of Tao Korea, mga Elmer Lagundino,